Dhanyavad Swamiji. I'll tell you, I'll start from here. First of all, I'll give you some confidence what I gained during last 10 days. I used to think about Patanjali. I used to think that this is a good brand, this is healthy brand, this is for good for health and with noble cause, and this is Ayurvedic product. Before visiting Haridwar with Yogpeeth, which is head office of Patanjali, I was carrying this impression.
Food Park and Research Center.
But when I reached there, I was shocked. I have seen office in US of Google. I tell you, it's in acres. And many things are there. And I could not even dream that one office in India will equivalent to companies like Google and Microsoft. So that campus is huge in acres. And when you'll go and see the research center, in that research center, Ayurvedic products are not being launched just like that. Every product is being checked. Scientific results of those and scientific proven results of those Ayurvedic products were verified, proven, then they have come to you. And let me tell you that research center is more than 100 crore investment. It's a best research center which can compete to any MNC, whether Hindustan Lever or Pepsi in India. This is the best research center.
In research center, we invested 400 to 500 crore rupees.
My God.
So correction kar diya maine thoda.
On those products, initially you may think, because everything, only the things which are tasty, like salt and sugar, they may not be good for health. So they may look different than conventional products, but believe me, those products are good for your health. Those products are competent enough to give you healthy life. So after that research, if some product is coming, I am quite sure and confident that those products are excellent. Imagine if you will have 10 or 12 successful products with you, you will become the leader. This will reduce your bed debts. Now with Patanjali, I think it is needless to tell you, I need not to tell you, you are aware, everybody is aware about Patanjali and everybody is aware that this is a healthy brand. If Patanjali is there, that means it's safe for our kids, it's good for our family. That confidence is there. That brand image we are already carrying. So now our vision should get enlarged. I'll tell you how. If you ask any Ruchi Soya person, how many outlets are there in Bangalore? They will say 10,000, 12,000. But when you will talk to Hindustan Lever person, how many outlets are there in Bangalore? They will say 40,000 or 50,000. The size is so big, so big. Because there are n number of products and their coverage is extremely good. With Patanjali basket and with Ruchi Soya, with gold, because oil contributes a lot in establishing distribution network. And believe me, distribution is the only key to get success. If you are able to establish your distribution network, if your retail coverage is good, automatically your demand will come in wholesale market. If you have to create demand in wholesale market, first of all, you have to establish a strong distribution, then only wholesale market will ask for that, because wholesale market is selling what retailer is asking. What retailer for small area, they are coming to wholesale market and they are buying. Ultimate customer is not coming to wholesale market. Retailers are coming to wholesale market. So if in retail market your demand is there, automatically they will take your product. I tell you, now you should not look to any other oil company as your competitor. No. Your competitor, now what you have to see that we should be equivalent or bigger than any MNC like Hindustan Lever or anybody. That should be our vision. And that is possible. That is possible because only you have to place product at outlet, through TV advertisement, if such a strong brand ambassador who is having a noble image in entire country, if they will communicate, he will communicate that this product is healthy and you should eat it, customer will come and ask for it. So I'm sure that with all these things, I'm telling you, if you will work harder, post 10-15 years from now, you will see to it that this will become the biggest FMCG company in India. This will become the biggest FMCG company in India, and everybody will become interested to enter into this industry, enter into our company. Everybody will ask for distribution ship of